Lisa, who is not licensed to practice law, offers legal services and prepares wills and real estate contracts for clients without being admitted to the bar in New York. She advertises her services as legal document assistance and charges clients for preparing these documents. After an investigation, it is revealed that Lisa has violated multiple provisions of the judiciary law related to unauthorized law practice. What consequence could Lisa face under Judiciary Law 485? Now, just before we look at Judiciary Law 485, it's worth pointing out that what Lisa has breached is 484 of the Judiciary Law because she practiced law despite not being an attorney. Now we can look at 485, and it states here that any person violating the provisions of, and it references a few sections including 484, which we just read from, shall be guilty of a misdemeanor. And if we look at 70.15, sentences of imprisonment for misdemeanors in violation, it states, Class A misdemeanor, a sentence of imprisonment for a Class A misdemeanor shall be a definite sentence. When such a sentence is imposed, the term shall be fixed by the court and shall not exceed 1 year. So with all this in mind, let's have a look at our 4 choices to determine our solution. Choice A states, Lisa could be charged with a misdemeanor and face imprisonment of up to 1 year. Well, that's exactly what we just read from before, but before we mark this as the correct solution, let's have a look at choices B, C, and D just to be certain. Choice B states, Lisa could be subject to a civil fine but no criminal charges. Well, that's incorrect, as we read from. The charge would be a criminal charge of misdemeanor, and therefore choice B is not the correct solution. Choice C states, Lisa could face disqualification from any future public office roles. Now, this is not an automatic consequence of Lisa's actions, and therefore choice C is not the correct solution. Choice D states, Lisa could be required to refund her clients, but not face legal penalties. That as well is not correct. As we saw, there are legal penalties. That is a misdemeanor, and therefore choice D is not the correct solution, which indeed leaves choice A. Lisa could be charged with a misdemeanor and face imprisonment for up to 1 year as the correct solution.